Seattle 10s. These bad boys just came out. Damn, I can't believe they still got these. I haven't seen these in too many retail stores. Damn, what a pair of St. James 5s. Jordan 12 Navy. This is dope. We are still in the Puente Hills Mall. Back to the Future Mall. That's what I call it. We got a foot action, you guys. Let's look around. Look around. Okay, we got some outlet type of prices today. Look at this. $1.50. Normally I wouldn't say $1.50 is a deal, but man, these go for what? $2.25? So $75 off, you guys. $75 off. You got this colorway too. I'm not a huge fan of this one, but hey, some of you guys are big foam heads. You guys love foam. So yeah, not bad. They are all on sale today. Damn, look at this. Damn. They are all on sale today. Damn, you guys. $1.75, not bad. Not bad. Normally I would say $1.75, not bad, but man, give almost $50 off. Up Tempo 95s, the Pippins. These are dope. I'm a huge fan of these. I just spent almost $100 on some Ultra Boosts. So I can't get them, but yeah, not bad, you guys. Not bad. Got the breads. Are we allowed to call non-Jordan shoe breads? I don't know. You guys let me know. But yeah, black and red, you guys. Black and red, $120. Not bad. Get $40 off. I think these are the cheapest I've seen these. Other than on the clearance section of the outlet, but you're never going to be able to touch those. Not bad. Not bad. Kyrie Lowe's. Yeah, going for regular price. Dang, that's surprising. We got $60 off of these Air Max Pluses. Yeah, these are nice. These are nice. Not bad. I was thinking these are Air Max 2017s, but they're not. They look all right. $90. $90, 50% off. Not bad. Vapor Mask, slight discount. Look at the Continentals, man. Wow. Look at these prices. $30, man. That's crazy. Continuing. That's nice. Last one. Damn, $30. Dang, you never see Superstars on sale. These are suede, too. These are suede, man. That looks nice. Digging that suede. Damn. Not bad, you guys. Yeah, man. $60, man. They got some sales here today. Yeah. Pretty nice Jordan section, you guys. Not bad. Hey, especially with all these being on sale. Look. Jordan 6 reflective on sale. Damn, I can't believe they still got these. I haven't seen these in too many retail stores. Damn, $100. Black History Month Jordan 2s. These have sold out some spots, but not other spots. Guess it didn't sell out here. Size 12, so bigger sizes. Seattle 10s. These bad boys just came out. Yeah, they got that old school 10 right there. That's dope. I'm a fan of that right there. But yeah, look all right. Nothing too special about them. What is this? Got a pair of St. James 5s? What the hell? Damn, that's crazy. What is the size? What, 14? Yeah, size 14. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the only one they got. I'm gonna have to ask them. That's not bad. Not bad. I got the usual suspects. Pretty much available everywhere, right? I got Jordan 12 Navy. What the hell? I think this is my size too. Size 10 and a half. 10 and a half. Damn. Look at the quality on this. Look at all the different details. Look at that. It's like a stamped buckle there right there, and then is that a stamped suede? Yeah, dude. Quality is definitely there. But yeah, I'm definitely not paying $200. But yeah, it's dope. I found this at an outlet. I totally copped. Plus, they're gonna have the Jordan 9 Gym Reds, Jordan 7 Grapes, and then look at this. Jordan 8. I'm not usually a I'm not really a fan of the Jordan 8s, to be really honest. I'm a huge fan of that strap, but yeah. 190, normally 190. 60 bucks off, you guys. 60 bucks off. They do have a pretty good selection of Jordan mids and Jordan 1 lows. Not bad, not bad. These are dope. These are the ones that stand out for me. These didn't really get that much hype though, man. But look. That little newspaper articles of when his airness was killing it. Look at that. Oh, that is dope. Look, it has him with a trophy right there. That is dope. Got a little article about 108 to 101. I don't know who they put right there. But yeah, look at that, man. This is dope. Get some history lessons and shit off of this. This is awesome. This is awesome. Going for retail, which is how much is this? 120. Going for retail, not bad. I just can't pay retail, but yeah, not bad, not bad. We are in the kids section. Jordan 4 Laser. Dang, 80 bucks, you guys. Those normally go for what, 150? Damn. Almost 50% off. Not bad, you guys. Got the 6s. I have no clue what colorway this is. No clue what colorway this is, but yeah. Normally goes for what, 140? Got $50 off. $50 off. Like I said, with the guys, the usual suspects. You know, the ones that they got everywhere pretty much. Okay, those on sale. And those as well, the foams, the 2 foams on sale. Air Max Plus, normally what, 125? Dang, over 50% off, you guys. That's nice. The kids are gonna like that colorway, man. It's dope. Green, got a little bright green on the back. That's nice. Yep, got some 270s on sale for the kiddos. And that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it. The kids section is kind of small, and the sale section isn't that great. But yeah, but they got a little bit of heat for the kids, especially heat at a discount. They got some loud ass music, you guys, like a mariachi band or something down low. I hope you guys can hear me, but yeah, they had some deals. They had some deals at that Foot Action. They do have a Footlocker here, so let's go hit that Footlocker, see what's up there. That's where all the music's coming from, you guys. Mariachi band, balls. Kind of interesting. Never seen that before. Stop number 2. Let's check out the Footlocker. All right, seen these on sale pretty much everywhere we went. Black one not on sale? That's interesting. Oh. KD12. KD11s. Then who buys the KD11s when the KD12s is only $10 more? That's interesting. KD12 black cement. And then KD whites. Pure platinum? I don't know what color that is. But yeah, it's all going for retail. I'm really surprised to see this not on sale. That's crazy. I thought these were on sale everywhere now. Kobe Protros. Protro 4s. What are these called? The Del Sols or De La Sols or something? I don't know. What do you guys think about these, man? These have been out forever. I'm surprised they're not on sale, man. Didn't we just see these on sale? Where was it? At the last place, or was that at the Champs Outlet? I don't know. I feel like these were just on sale. These are nice. These are nice. Look at that. Three different textures, like snakeskin right there. That's just some sort of fabric. Look at that. That is nice, dude. That's dope. That's a dope colorway. Definitely unique. Nobody else gonna have something like this if you get it. Nice. This one's not bad. That red one looks way nicer, but yeah, this ain't bad. This ain't bad. Got a nice little texture to it. 80 bucks too. 80 bucks. We saw these on sale at Shoe Palace, I think. These were way cheap at Shoe Palace. It was like 60 bucks if I remember. Dang. That's why I shop around, you guys. Shop around. Alright, not bad. Not bad. Air Max 95. Got another colorway right here. And then we got one more. Not bad. Dang, Footlocker's prices be higher than everybody else's, and everybody still keeps going. Even when they're on sale, look, they barely have them on sale. Only $30 off. Everywhere else, they got them for like $129 and stuff. Not surprising. Okay, they got a little sale going on. All right. Here's the OG. I don't know all the different versions, but one of the OG Ultra Boosts. 130, not bad. USA colorway. These are sick. Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. Yeah, these are sick. Fan of those. Not a fan of retail though. Not a fan of retail. Got a little sale on these as well as these 5923s, the Nikes. Not bad. Super comfortable. Don't leave those out either. Not bad. Jordan section looking kind of mediocre, guys. Kind of mediocre. I do got the latest though. Seattle 10s. We got that latest. They do got something on sale. I don't know what colorway this is. What is this? A Miami colorway or something? Jordan 8 though. Jordan 8 going for 129. We do have a kids section, but really not much on sale. So yeah, we're gonna call it a day for this video, guys. Gonna call it a day for this video. So what did we learn today, guys? I don't know. I don't know if you guys learned anything, but I don't know. Like whenever I go to Footlocker, I don't know. Like the prices just seem to be kind of mediocre. I know they get the newest stuff. I know they always got a pretty good selection of stuff, but yeah, this isn't a typical Footlocker also, because this Footlocker is a low volume Footlocker, so they're not going to get, I don't even know if they get all the hype shoes and stuff like that, but yeah, I don't know, the Foot Action definitely seem to have better deals. I think Foot Action and Champs always got better deals than Footlocker, but yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys like these type of videos, go ahead, make sure you press that like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite deals were, you guys. Let me know what your favorite deals. They had, I don't know, that Foot Action had way more stuff than that Footlocker. So let me know what you guys saw in that Foot Action, because that Footlocker, I don't remember jack from that Footlocker. If you guys are new to my channel, pretty much what I do is I go out to different sneaker retail shops. I check out different deals. Try to get as many Nike outlets as you guys, because that's what everybody loves. So I try to do that. Make sure you guys go check out one of my videos. I do have, I don't know, I think I'm about 100 videos right now. So make sure you guys go check those out. Let me know what you think. Till the next one, you guys. Peace.